Ever wondered if you can combine live IPTV channels with the Plex media server? Well, the answer might surprise you. In this video, we will reveal how you can set up IPTV and use it on your Plex media server today. To start, ensure you have access to a reliable IPTV provider like the top-rated 2tv.store for your streaming needs. Once you have subscribed to a good IPTV service, we need to gather some information, such as M3U links. Next, let's proceed with Plex setup in Plex. Navigate to the settings to integrate IPTV channels successfully. Choosing the right IPTV tool is crucial. Many users find IPTV plugins useful for Plex, enhancing functionality. When setting up, make sure to input your IPTV M3U into Plex precisely. This ensures smooth channel streaming. After setup, your Plex media server should now feature all your favorite IPTV channels for instant access. Experience the seamless combination of IPTV live streaming with Plex's features, all in one interface. Transform your viewing habits by maximizing what IPTV and Plex have to offer in a few easy steps. Embrace the change in entertainment. Explore IPTV on Plex now and never look back. Get started today.